In this facility, the process is precise, but the real question is, how does raw silver become 99.99% pure metal? For over a century, this facility has been central to American innovation. It's precisely why we continue to We look at several sources. Traditional mining ore, yes, but increasingly scrap electronics like these circuit boards and industrial.
By crushing the rock, we increase the surface area exponentially. This allows the solvent to interact with more material, maximizing the extraction efficiency.
At Deeds, we operate under the strictest safety protocols. Furthermore, our environmental controls surpass U.S. regulations.
When we introduce the halide ions, the silver simply can't stay dissolved. It precipitates out.
The levels are spiking near the apex. Adjusting the regulator.
Stable now. Confirmed nominal.
So once the ore is sufficiently ground in the ball mills, it moves directly into these leaching tanks where the chemical process begins.
Welcome to the heart of our refining process. These electrolytic cells purify the copper, moving the metal ions from the imply anode to pure electrolysis.
By running a precise current through the silver, we initiate the electrolytic process. This guarantees a finished product.
Lift slowly now. Steady. Okay, attention to the right. By carefully monitoring the electrolytic refining process, we ensure the highest purity levels, which is reflected in the superior quality of our final product. As you can see on the bar itself, the 0.9999 stamp signifies a fineness of 99.99% pure silver, the international standard for investment.
In our American refineries, the zero defect policy isn't just a goal, it's the standard. Failure is simply not an option.
The increased need for secure storage, symbolized by these vaults, highlights silver's critical global value in uncertain times.
The weather pattern shifted over the Pacific route.
I see that. Reroute through Memphis will save 3 hours domestically.
To summarize the journey so far, we've transformed the raw crude into high-value products, optimizing the process at every stage you see here.
All parameters are well within the safety margin.
The water quality analysis confirms it. We are good to discharge.
By investing in large-scale solar and utilizing advanced carbon capture technology, we're transforming how fuel is produced right here in the U.S.
I'd like to introduce Mai Ling, who will be leading today's session on our new safety protocols.
Thank you, John. It's great to be here to discuss the updates.
From complex assembly to microscopic inspection, it's the expertise of our American workforce that makes this level of innovation possible.
Initialize the sequence for the 3 bypass valve now.
Sequence initiated. Pressure holding steady.
When we talk about automation, the biggest benefit isn't just speed, it's the sheer consistency it brings to your workflow.
We often think of silver as just an investment, but its industrial demand, particularly in electronics and solar technology, is skyrocketing.
The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. Join me now as we unveil the definitive conclusion to this extraordinary mystery.
A look back at the complex process of refining, from the distillation towers to the advanced control systems ensuring purity.
Welcome to the Economic Review. The refining process is essential to meet the skyrocketing industrial demand for silver, or
The flow rate on the east manifold is dropping below tolerance.
Is the secondary pump compensating?
It is. Look here. We can proceed with the isolation sequence.
Astrins. The key takeaway here is not the technology itself, but how we apply it. By integrating these solutions,
I'm thrilled to invite you inside the heart of American industry. This is where innovation meets the assembly line, creating the future right now.
Through fire and refinement, the raw material is transformed. The result is pure, radiant silver, essential for our modern world.
Sheet it is. This is how America refines silver to perfection.